begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get more of my latest videos. Today we're going to be talking about the world's biggest spider. And I'm not talking about the one from Attack of the 50-Foot Spider. I'm talking about the Goliath bird-eating spider. Widely known as the Goliath bird eater, the giant tarantula gets its name due to its sheer size, and though it is rarely seen eating small birds, the name bird eater came to it from an 18th century engraving done by naturalist Maria Silva-Merian showing the spider eating a hummingbird. Like all tarantulas, the Goliath is covered with minute-sensitive hairs on its legs, and they do not have a backbone or inner skeleton. Instead, they possess an exoskeleton, which is a hard outer shell structure. The Goliath bird-eating spider is one of the largest spiders to ever roam our planet. It is the heaviest spider, weighing more than 170 grams on the scale. It is the second largest spider based on leg span. It has a leg span of 11 inches, and the first is the huntsman spider that has a leg span of 12 inches. The fangs of a Goliath bird eater are 2.5 inches long, which is equal to the length of a cheetah's claw. No doubt it can penetrate human skin very easily. The venom is not fatal, but it causes severe pain and nausea. Though they are widely known as bird eaters, it is difficult to spot them eating birds. They usually go for easier prey like rodents and frogs. Our locals there remove the hairs of the Goliath and eat them roasted. Unlike most spiders, the Goliaths are not silent. They can make a hissing sound when threatened. The sound is not made by its mouth, but it rubs its feet together really quickly to create the hiss. Thank you. This has been another World's Weirdest. Don't forget to like and subscribe.